Hello, Jazzy Vibes family. Welcome to the Jazzy Vibes. I'm your host, Les Friend. In my videos, we're going to discuss some valuable facts about different topics. And remember, all of the topics are related to your questions. It's your platform, not mine. Maybe we can say that it's our platform. Can I say na? Okay, let's dive into a journey where we can connect our vibe. Today, our topic is why we can't focus. And I'm going to give you some tips to focus on a single task. As we all know, modern world is moving very quickly and full of distractions, making it harder and harder to stay focused. Focusing on a single task for a prolonged time is just like a superpower only a few people have, like a Spider-Man power. Nah, it's a very wrong concept. Developing this skill has absolute advantages that affect many aspects of life, like academic achievement, productivity at work, and interest outside of work. In this in-depth video, we will examine focus dynamics. Our first point is types of focus. I'm going to discriminate two categories of focus: scattered focus and directed attention between several things. Could you know? Directed concentration requires focusing all of one's attention on a single task at a time. This lays the preparations for realizing how crucial it is to pay attention with concentration. Moving on to the second one, which is impact of scattered focus. Because the brain finds it difficult to change between the tasks quickly, scattered focus could be more efficient to focus, because this leads to tiredness and wasted mental energy without producing anything. Understanding the drawbacks of scattered focus emphasizes the need for directed focus. The next one is eliminating distractions. To achieve directed focus, you'll have to remove distractions and stimuli that can inhibit concentration. And you'll got a solution by putting phones away. You can, just like me, to help yourself for more extended periods. Our fourth one is physical well-being and focus. The relationship between physical well-being and focus is highlighted throughout in our conversation. It has been determined that balanced diet, regular exercise, enough sleep, and appropriate water are necessary for the possible reasonable function. This stresses the broad strategy of attending to psychological demands to increase focus. Our fifth point is focus as a skill. Just like training for a sport, concentration is presented as a skill that can be perfect with practice. While acknowledging that initial focus durations may be limited, I encourage you to turn directed focus over time, and these durations can be extended with consistent practice. Remember, you are perfect, and practice makes you just perfect. Well, the next one is establishing focus habits. I recommend you to create a daily habit of intense focus rather than relying on casual bursts of motivation. Morning is recommended as the best time to work focus because it usually provides more mental clarity and fewer distractions. But remember one thing, you are the best. And that will be the best time when you feel I'll have to do the best. Rather, it's morning or evening or midnight. Now the seventh one, unstimulating the brain. In this, I recommend you to engage in activities like walking, meditation, and naps, especially the naps, to prevent mental fatigue and give the brain a break. Avoiding stimulating activities during pauses is also very important to promote mental renewal. Now the eighth one, regular breaks. We all know persistent concentration can lead to tiredness, but the breaks refresh the mind. This is related to our ninth step, which is Pomodoro technique. This technique is presented as a systematic way to alternate between focused work and relaxation periods. This strategy comprises working for a fixed duration, followed by short pauses with longer breaks. which are scattered between intervals. This helps you a lot. In the end, I just want to say you that you are special and precious. You'll have to try to achieve all of the best and special for yourself. Remove your distractions, pay attention to focus direction, plus to your physical health. Learn how to focus, de-stimulate your brain by taking regular breaks, and the most important one, apply Pomodoro technique. I'm signing off by sharing all of my positive vibes, and I hope your vibes got mine vibes too. Just remember, you are special and crack the world by your vibes.